What are Google Sheets and Docs? The office or home, everyone wants to use Google Sheets and Docs. However, these powerful applications go by many names including Google Spreadsheets and Google Docs, but what does that mean? In this blog post, I'm going to make comparison between Google Spreadsheets and Microsoft Excel. The focus of the article will be on comparing different feature sets, how they were introduced to Office users, whether anyone can use them in certain situations, and which is better for the enterprise crowd, i.e., bank, business or educational. Before we start breaking down these apps, let's briefly touch on what they are. Google Docs, an online editor of Google Sheets that only. Google Docs. Google Docs is a website that lets people collaborate on document editing and management. This software allows you to easily share, save, print, and upload documents. It is easy to store your documents in Google Drive or the Drive app on your desktop, phone, tablet and get updates as needed. Google Docs also allows you increase the average time people spend online by encouraging people to look for information on Google's website. They use all of the tech tools to make it easier for everyone to get their tasks done quicker. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program that works similarly to Microsoft Excel. It can turn your Word, PDF, PowerPoint, or websites into easy-to-work with spreadsheets. You can also share them with others through email or Office 365. Busy? Continue reading. Download the free trial version below to get started. You can then purchase the license online if you like the software. Google Home. Google recently released a new technology that is called Google Home. This device is a speaker and works with your laptop or phone. It has Google Docs, Sheets, and the ability to ask Google any question. Basically, this device can scour the internet and check hundreds of sites to get your answer. I think Google Home is going to be the smartphone replacement. The idea is that you will pick a companion app on your phone which would tell Google what you need information on. This information goes directly to Google Decoded. I think this is quite cool, although there are some limitations such as Google won't know if you are talking to yourself or another person while in the middle of a conversation. However, it should work like a personal assistant in that it will potentially know more about you than your family or friends. Family and friends will have their own individual Google Homes, of course. Storage. How fast can an SSD boot up? How quick you can get to work. A lot of time we are starting up computer systems, powering them on and loading tools such as apps and software, so if these things took longer than average the results could be bad for us negatively in the long run. What is a spreadsheet? Google Sheets and Docs are Microsoft Office-friendly spreadsheet applications. They function very similarly to Excel, but they provide a Google interface that is device-independent and can be used in conjunction with HTML5 browsers. Google Sheets differs from other spreadsheets in a few ways. Sheet name formats are dynamically generated, and sharing is only available using the copy command. Spreadsheet name formats. Google Sheets uses dynamic names based on the first 100 characters of your nickname. For example, JCH_823,785,253 can be turned into John's Sheet 823,785,253 where John is my Google Mail address. Keep left and right borders to a minimum when inputting. The spreadsheet comes with many built-in functions. Many different types of people use Google Spreadsheets for business purposes. Students use them for homework, employees use them for their projects, and small businesses can use it to keep track of their finances. There are many functions built into the spreadsheet where you can make calculations, look up how much something costs across the US, or even find out if a word is spelled correctly. To help with these processes, every spreadsheet comes equipped with built-in functions that you can use to your advantage. Unlike Excel spreadsheets where each sheet can have different functions on it and one sheet needs a different function than what the other sheet has, in Google Docs and Sheets there are only 2 sheets that can be used at any given time, but the rest have all features available to them as well. Window functions. To perform these functions you can use the text parser located in any of the spreadsheet's cells, on top of its editing toolbar. Below is a list of the functions available in each cell. If vertical line, if else vertical line, if include, calculate values as they are entered. Vertical line, calculate values as they are entered concatenate, appends to the end.